This is a quick review for the Havahart cage. This is a one-door cage, and you can tell right away that would be the point of entry, and then it's blocked there. So this cage in general I find very easy to work with and very easy to set up. I've had other cages before, but this cage is great if you're trying to, catch and release in a humane way. Maybe it's a squirrel, maybe it's a skunk, whatever that may be. It's an easy way to do it, and it's an easy way to set up. And let me just show you real quickly how this works. So we've got the cage, but here's the point of entry, and what we're going to do is we're going to lift this part up here, okay? This will press down, and upon pressing down, we're going to lift this part up. What this does over here is this right here will lock it in, so you've got to make sure you lock it in. There's a little lip right here, and once it's locked in, you should feel it real good. Now, if you want to go ahead and test it, you can go ahead and test it and make sure. Now, remember, this plate right here is if you're going to put something on the plate or put something over here, the plate is what makes it actually go off. So once they step on this door shuts, okay? So again, easy setup, easy catch and release. This is a one-door entry one, and this is made by Havahart, and a humane way to take care of the problem. Thanks for watching.